Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today is day 2 of Willie Stunts, the Philly takeover. We're about to go get a ride in. Yesterday it was terrible weather. It was like rainy and cold as hell. We still rode though, obviously. As you could see in the last video, what's up guys?
I got my Philly merch.
Yep. He got a nice shirt at the Homo Hut yesterday. So we got the bikes charged up. We got the GoPro charged up. It's a beautiful day, so let's go frickin' ride, man. And we are back outside, day 2 with Willie Stunts. It's finally a sunny little day. We're gonna go right. All right, so we're gonna go to a place called Graffiti Pier. Should be cool. It is a little chilly in the shadows, I'll be honest, but. What's your name?
Rio.
Rio? Connor, nice to meet you, bro.
I saw that you just put on the speedometer. That's how I knew it was you.
Yep. Yeah, I got my buddy visiting on the Razor too.
I'm looking into getting one.
This is honestly, I think, dude, the best bang for your buck bike. Like out of the box for $3K. Nice mini, bro. Yeah, I'll see you. All right, after a brief intermission, we're back. Woo! Someone's getting cozy on the Razor. Get away! We're all cozy out here. Ooh, seat standers out of the boy. Willie Stunts wants a trade-off. Let's see it. Right at home. See if we get a hand drag. Ah! Light work. Oh yeah. I gotta get those next. What do you think? She's nice, right? Razor circles are so tight, dude. Like, oh. Hey, there we go. That bike just did a wheelie up there. They're going back too. I never see people take these off-road. I think there's actually a track of sorts back here. Oh shoot, look at this. Just riding with the big bikes. Oh, some little jumps. Definitely don't have the grip for this, but you know. Ooh, it's tight in there. Got all the fishers out here. The fisherman. Beautiful. All right, and we are leaving Graffiti Pier now. I think I'm gonna take Squilly here to the famous cheesesteak places, Pat's and Gino's. A lot of people will be like, oh my God, they're not the good ones, you gotta go here. But I'm just gonna take them there because it's kind of, you know, it's kind of a vibe, kind of scenic, popular. We're gonna get the hand drag. Ah!
You're like 4 inches.
4 inches? That sounds about right. There you go. There's a stoppie. See if we can drag our foot. Oh, gotta get a little bit lower for that. Wheelie stunts! Hope you guys enjoyed those DJI Pocket 2 clips. Try to keep them nice and smooth. We're almost to where we need to be. All right, we got Pat's and we got Gino's. Pat's because the line is shorter right now. All right, let's get that first bite.
Oh, bread. Oh, bread. It's noticeably better than any cheesesteak I've ever had. I think the meat in Texas is usually a little bit tougher. It's really soft. I like the onions, cheese. 6 out of 10. No, I'm just kidding. Real answer, 6.4.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for Pat's King of Steaks. We'll give it a scathing review. All right, we're heading down to South Philadelphia Stadium's Xfinity Live show. Well, that. This is a super popular spot too.
There's a 9.2 cheesesteak.
People are loving Will's wheelies on the Razor. Yeah, we're gonna.
I'm gonna try and come down a little later.
All right, bet. What time? All right, sounds good. I'll see y'all later. Okay, down to the stadiums we go. Getting swervy with it. Yeah. Okay, and we are now down at the stadiums. Getting in our circles. That circle work. Oh. Waiting for our light to change. Ah! I wonder what these gates are for. I don't know why this is blocked off like it is. Why people are chilling out here like this, but they are. Look at them all chilling. There he goes. Tight circles on the Razor. Come on now. Yep. You know, I'm not realizing, I think the Phillies are away and Morgan Wallen is playing here today. And that's why all those people are dressed up like they're, you know, from your hometown. Damn, it's packed for Morgan Wallen. We should go ride through the tailgate.
I don't know how you guys
He's doing his circles again. Oh, I love it. All right, we'll keep combing through these tailgates. Everyone loves it. This is great. Good vibes only.